I'm sure you've heard the news. Content is king. But how do you create content that rules? First things first, know your audience. Speak their language, address their needs, and answer their burning questions. This isn't rocket science, folks. It's about making a connection. Next up, keep it simple and engaging. Use short sentences, active voice, and sprinkle in some humor or stories. Think of it as having a conversation with a friend. The easier it is to read, the more they'll love it. Now let's talk about SEO. Yep, those keywords matter, but don't just stuff them in. Think of keywords as spices in a recipe. Just the right amount makes your content delicious for both readers and search engines. And don't forget the visuals. Infographics, videos, and images break up the text and keep things interesting. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? Lastly, always end with a call to action. Whether it's subscribing, leaving a comment, or sharing your post, guide your audience on what to do next. A little nudge can go a long way. So there you have it. Know your audience, keep it simple, spice it up with keywords, use visuals, and guide them with a call to action. Master these tips and watch your digital marketing soar. Stay tuned for more marketing tips and tricks. See you next time.